Hello everybody, we're going to do another unboxing of a Breitling watch. This time it's a Breitling Super Avenger chronograph 48. It's brand new in the box. Came from a Breitling store, purchased directly from Breitling, not from an authorized dealer. This is what they gave me at the store. It was an excellent experience. It was accompanied by drinking some fine champagne. Just a celebratory moment. And I'd like to share it with all of you what's in the box and what this looks like. A Breitling hat. So with the purchase, they give you a nice Breitling hat. You can try it out, see how it looks. Pretty nice material. Can't say that I don't like it. It's quite nice. Let's put that off to the side. Then we have a book. The Chronologue 2003-2004. This is a catalog of all the Breitling watches that they make and all the models. So for example, here's the Super Ocean Heritage Edition. And so you can kind of go through there and take a look at everything that Breitling currently makes. Well, just stunning watches in here. I'm a little bit of a loss of words as I go through here, but super nice watches. Navitimeter, Avenger 44, Avenger Automatic 42. So yeah, a lot of cool watches. It's a fun book to flip through. Okay, then we have a paperwork on the watch. Receipts, warranty information, etc. So that's important to save. And then we have the actual watch. Kind of cool, the box. I was looking at that. I thought that was another brochure, but it's not. It's a hashtag Squad on a mission. That's what it says. Hashtag Squad on a mission. All right. So here's the watch. They've gotten rid of the big bulky cases of yesteryear, so they've kind of gotten an eco route, be more sustainable in terms of their footprint they're leaving. So it's a much smaller box than it used to be. It opens by doing like this, pulling that tab, and you open it up, and then the watch is in there. Take a look at it. Beautiful beautiful timepiece. Let's kind of take a look at what it has here in the top part of the box. There is a quick start guide and warranty holder. I don't know if you need a quick start guide for a watch, but okay, fair enough. So there's that, and then there's the warranty card, national warranty. It tells you the serial number, the reference number, and the model, and you get that. So that's kind of cool. And then the watch itself. So this whole thing comes out. But before we do that, there's another little pouch in here. Not sure what it's for, but it's kind of a nice leather pouch in here. You can probably put maybe some documents or something like that. But anyway, so here's the watch. Let's take it off here. It has, brand new tags. If you look on the bottom here, you can see that it retails for $6,700. That's the full price at Breitling. It says it's certified at 300 meters. It has, obviously you've got a choice of deployments and straps. This one has a cloth strap here. If I kind of open this up here, let's see how it looks. So I've opened it up there, and it doesn't have a deployment. It just has a kind of a regular buckle on this one. I think the deployment, adds $400 or $500 to the price. It's quite a pricey thing, but let me put it here on my hand. And then we'll take a look at what it looks like once it's been worn on my hand. So there we go. So I'm going to put this on my hand here. Okay, that's good enough for this purpose of this video. Ooh, I like it. I like it. There you go. You can kind of, I'm trying to get my hand over here, but yeah, you can kind of look at what it looks like. And, you know, obviously it has to be set and so forth, but it's just such a, you know, gorgeous, maybe this is the better way to show it to you guys, just such a gorgeous timepiece. I'm really enamored with it. I think it's if you don't have a Breitling, you should definitely get one. Whether this is the right one for you, I don't know. But this is kind of, to me, a crossover between something you can wear out and about town, but that also you could, you know, wear with a suit because of the darker colors. So I think it kind of goes both ways. Of course, you can also change out this to have like leather or metal, or, you know, something like that. It's going to obviously add quite a bit of cost. I think this is one of the lower cost options, but, you know, it kind of gives you a sporty feel as well as a elegant feel. I think that does blend both of those pretty well. And of course, you know, it's a decent investment over time. My first Breitling, I think I paid like $2,200 for it. And you can see now the prices have gone up substantially in the watches over the last 15, 20 years. And no reason they'll stop going up. So, you know, the used market also gets pulled up, and you know, it's, if you keep it, maintain it, you know, last a long time, pass it on to your kids. So I'd highly recommend getting anybody a Breitling watch. Thanks for watching.